Hi Pam, it's Miss Culver. I am putting up the problem for you, quiz 2, and I believe what you're asking me for is 2A. If it turns out that was not the problem you were looking for, let me know and I'll send you another one. Let's take a look. So here's just the picture of the graph of G that you were given, and I think you had mentioned this graph, so I'm hoping I'm on the right problem. Also, they had given you this information. I really meant to underline this. Hold on, let's see if I can get that. Here we go. So, there we go. Also at the top of the board, they said that f of x is equal to 3x plus the integral from 0 to x of g of t dt. And that problem there, right? And so, of course, the integral from 0 to x of g of t dt is the area in between that function and the x-axis. So on A, they asked you for, so this was 2A. There really wasn't a B there. 2A, they asked you for f of 7, and it sounds like you didn't need help on that because you mentioned the number 3. So I have a 24 minus 9 pi over 2 there. If you need help on that, let me know. I think what you were asking about is they were asking for the derivative of f at 7, right? So if you notice, this is what they were asking for, and I simply wrote, again, what is at the top of the board. There we go. And then what I did underneath is I asked for the derivative of f on the left, and that equals the derivative of 3x plus the integral from 0 to x of g of t dt. So in other words, this is what we're going to do, right? I just put a big derivative mark there. Well, if you take a look and notice what we're taking of the derivative of starts with 3x, and the derivative of 3x is 3. Right here, the derivative of 3x is 3. That's where that 3 is coming from, okay? Plus, and then of course using the fundamental theorem of calculus 2, the derivative of the integral is just the function left evaluated at x, right there. There we go. So the derivative of f at 7 is 3, right? There's the 3 again. We're just hanging on to that, plus g of 7, okay? Well, here's the graph of g right here. Let's go to where g is 7. Right there, and when we go up we can see it has a value. The function has a value of 3, so g of 7 is equal to 3. So now we have 3 plus 3 is 6. Let me know if that is not the information you were looking for. I can send another video. Have a great day, dear. It was so good seeing you today.